my channel and you're watching another episode of
Piece of Cake!
Today, it's day 6, right guys?
Yeah!
6 of quarantine. As you can see, nakapajama pa kami. And we're finding ways we're finding things to do para medyo hindi naman na-bored sa bahay. And today, we thought of cooking their lunch together. And we're gonna cook
Quesadilla!
Yeah, so these are my sons, my special guests for today. This is Luke. Say hi, Luke.
Hi!
Carson.
Hi!
And this is Paolo.
Hi.
Oh, wow.
Hi.
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla! 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 Quesadilla!
That's gonna be our lunch for today. I usually prepare this for their lunch for school, mga baon nila sa school. But since nandito sila sa bahay ngayon, we will do it together. Saturday! And our ingredients are, what's this?
Sausages!
This is
Pepperoni sausages!
Exactly.
Next ingredient, cheese! Nacho cheese!
And a little bit of butter. And cream cheese. And of course, let us not forget the mighty tortilla! We're gonna cook here. We have our stove here, pero so that you can see, right? So
I don't know which one's
let's
the other
turn on our portable stove. Our stove is on now. Let's put our
Pepperoni sausages! You don't have to put oil on it? Whoa, that's cool. Oh, that's
So
crispy.
let's let Paolo do it.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
See it? You can hear that?
I'm gonna do it.
Let's turn this off.
Oh, it's curved now.
Yeah.
It's like crisping.
So we'll cook it until it's a little bit brown like that.
Oh. Yup, like that, like that, like that. Wow, brown. The flame!
So the next thing we're gonna do is to put cream cheese on the tortilla bread.
Tortilla! We got tortilla! Tortilla!
So you're just gonna put on the half like this.
Okay, like
I'll
that?
show you a little bit. Like that. Spread it like that.
It still looks like tortilla. Mommy,
Done?
almost done.
Let me know when you guys are done.
Super spreading it out because I don't want too much space.
So they have their tortilla with cream cheese.
Yeah.
Okay, the next to put is the nacho cheese.
Nacho!
They wash their hands so they can actually use their hands to put it on top of the...
use a spoon?
It's up to you. You can use a spoon. You wash your hands.
I'm gonna use my hands. I'm gonna use my hand. Spread it like this. Okay. Half. Okay.
Done?
Okay.
Next is the...
Sausages! Pepperoni sausages! Look at how much... Green Carson! How much cheese?
Whoa!
I don't think...
You won't be able to close your sandwich, sir.
So that's the quesadilla. I usually put this much on their lunch. We only put cheese and pepperoni rolls on the half because we're gonna fold it like that. There you go. And then put some butter.
Butter? That's butter?
Yep, on our.
That's
So now you can fold your quesadilla. Let's not put it too hot because you don't wanna burn your tortilla, right?
You don't want to burn the butter.
Yeah. And then
They're like I'm tall as Luke. And yeah.
we can do 2 at a time, right?
How?
There.
Look at the cheese out of Luke's. Look at the cheese. Sizzling.
We will toast this for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes on each side, right?
Wow.
Flip.
Ow.
I think this is done.
Can I put mine on?
Then we'll do Paulo's.
Shine. Shimmer. Splendid.
We will cut it into 3 so that they can eat it easily. So, this is their quesadilla. We're done.
Quesadilla.
Thank you so much again, guys, for watching. Somehow, nagkaroon kayo ng idea on what to do sa bahay habang naka-quarantine to get the kids involved. And for now, we're just gonna enjoy this. This is it for today. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe, everyone. And please, always remember now, we will get through this together. So, I hope we all stay positive and keep our faith that the Lord will help us get through this pandemic. Thank you, guys. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye. Lord, thank you for the food. Thank you for this day today, and give this food nourishment for our physical body in Jesus' name. Amen.
Whoa, man, it feels so good.
Yummy?
This is the best quesadilla.
The best quesadilla? Because you cooked it?
The best.
The best.
Just how I like it.
Tastes like the one you make, Mommy.